guys, today I'm going to be reading a book called Busy Beaks. It is illustrated and written by Sarah Allen and it is published by Affirm Press in 2020. Busy Beaks by Sarah Allen. Cockatoos screech across morning skies. The warble of magpies not far behind. Pelicans fishing for breakfast in groups. Swans gliding slowly, then bobbing for food. A robin sits tight on her 3 speckled eggs. A loud kookaburra calls out to its friends. Hovering spinebills drinking sweet nectar. Lorikeets live in a big mob together. Rosellas grow strong in a cosy tree hollow. Shorebirds find food as they splash in the shallows. A Brigola pair dance and practice their leaps. Tired tawny frogmouths catch up on some sleep. A gang of galahs eating roots, seeds and grass. Firetail finches take dips in a bath. Fairy wrens strut with the bluest of feathers. An eagle soars high over mountains and deserts. A tall emu dad takes good care of his chicks. Palm cockatoo drums a rhythm with sticks. In the late afternoon, busy birds all around, flying home to their roost as the sun's going down. Doves are now preening and fluffing their plumes. Penguins parade from the sea to the dunes. A flock of wild budgies roosts for the night. Pardalotes sleep in their nest out of sight. Ooh, ooh. Thanks for watching, guys.